Today's discussion, we are going to learn one more application of a derivative, that is approximation, finding the approximate value of the given expression. This is one of the important remarks which will help you to get the value of the demanded questions. The expression is f of a plus h will be equal to f of a plus h time f dash of a. Let us look at the first question, square root of 25.03. Do you know, whenever you wish to answer this question, the first basic rule is you are going to find out the square root of this expression. The number is given as 25.03. Out of that, the one thing which is known to you orally or which can be calculated easily, so that is the first expression one should understand. The question demand is finding the square root of something. So f of x is nothing but square root of something. That is the first you should get from the question. Next one, which is known to you, you know that 25. So I think if I will ask what is the approximate value, you will tell 5 point something like that also. 5 point you are telling means you are looking at this expression, the known one. So that will give you the value of a. So in this case, a will be 25 and h will be whatever it is remaining, it will be 0.03. So always in all type of question, you should identify what is the function as well as what is the value of a and h. 50% of your work is over. Now, how do you answer the question? Consider that let f of x is equal to root x and then try to find out f dash of x. It will be nothing but 1 by 2 root x. But if you look at the formula, you are not required f of a, f of x and f dash of x. So it is what is required, f of a is required and f dash of a is required. So here you can find out f dash of a. A means in this case it will be 25. So what I should write, it will give me 5. Sorry, it is f of 25, f of here, that is f dash of 25. F dash of 25, if you ask me, it will be 1 by 2 over here 5, it will be nothing but 1 by 10. Next 25% of the work is over. Now replace these values in the expression. Therefore square root of 25, always make a habit of after this step writing this definition and replacing the value. F of a, f of x is known to you, f of a, here it is nothing but f of a, it will be 5 plus the value of h is nothing but 0.03 and 1 by 10 is nothing but what, 0.1. If you simplify and calculate, you will get the answer as 5.003. Clear? So this is a way of evaluating the things. Now in case I am demanding what is the, it is fourth root of 81. So try to think about, I should write f of x is nothing but x raised to power 1/4, x raised to power 1/4. That is the first step. Then what I told you, I get a value. A value means which is fourth root of 80 near to this. Which number is there? Correct. It will be 81. And the value of h will be now over here, it will be -1. Now again the same procedure. F of x you can write separately over here, x raised to power 1 by 4. Similarly f dash of also you can calculate, it will be 1 by 4 over here, x raised to power 1 by 4 minus 1. Okay, now replacing the value of a, f of a means 81 over here, it will be 81 means 3 raised to power 4 raised to power 1 by 4, it will give you the answer as 3. On the right side, on the simultaneously, suppose it is asked f dash of 81a, it will be 1 by 4. I am writing this x, I am bringing because it is coming as minus 3 by 4. So I am writing here it is 3 by 4 and this is 3 raised to power 4. 81 means. Now you can simplify this and you will be getting 1 by this 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 into 4. It will be 108. Now next step, writing that formula. Make a habit of writing the formula. I am writing for you. It is f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, at raised to power 1 by 4 is nothing but f of a is nothing but 3 plus, but h value here it is minus 1, so you write minus, it will be 108. Now it can be taken LCM, it will be 108 over here, it will be 324 minus 1, it will be 323 divided by 108, divided by 108. Just try to find out this value, that is nothing but the answer. So you will get approximately 2.9999. okay. So in this way you can get the answer for any question. Let us see one more question. Cube root of 228. So what is the function? Function over here it is nothing but x raised to power 1 by 3. And what are the values of a? It will be 27 and h will be nothing but plus 1. What I told you, after observing these three things, get f dash of x. F dash of x is 1 by 3. X raised to power minus 2 by 3. Shall I write over here like this? We have seen in the previous question. Then now f of a, f of 27 is nothing but 3 cube raised to power 1 by 3. It will give you answer as 3. Over here f dash of 27, it is nothing but 1 upon 3. It will be 27 raised to power 2 by 3. If you simplify, you will be getting this 3 cube. So it will be 1 by 81. Finally, we'll replace the values in the formula. Formula is known to you. Therefore, cube root of 28 will be equal to f of a means 3 minus 1 or plus 1 h value. Over here it is 1 by 81. Take LCM, 81. It will be 324 plus 1. So final answer is 244 by 81. Get a decimal value of these, and that is nothing but the solution of the question. Sometimes no question will be framed in this form also. Look here, this is the form. Evaluate 2 over here 1.03 raised to power 4 minus 7 1.03 plus 8. Now one can think about answering the question means try to find out this value separately by using the method where if you think about this question, you use this technique, then your value of a will be correct. A will be 1 and h will be 0. So this is separate one. In case I have written here it is say cube, then this is one question, this will be another question, and it will take a long way to get the answer. So for such question there is a better option. Look here, f of x is nothing but 2 x raised to power 4 minus 7 x cube plus 8, and consider a as 1 and h as 0.03. So at once we can get the value of this f of x. Now f dash of x is nothing but 8x cube minus 21x square. Now we don't want these two values. What we want? F of a. F of a here it is nothing but 1. F of a means here I will replace 1. So 2 minus 7 plus 8. This is 10. So you will be getting 3. Now f dash of 1. F dash of 1 means in this expression I should replace 1. It will be 8 minus 21. That also you will get. Try to find out and then replace in the formula. F of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h times f dash of a. F of a you have calculated 3 plus h value is nothing but 0.03. Over here it is minus 13. So it will be 3 as it is. If this multiplication is there, 0.39, and final answer will be subtraction of this. So it will be 9 means 1 is carry over here, it will be 6.2. So the answer is 2.61. This question is more simpler than the previous question. Look here, let f of x is nothing but this. Find out f of 2.01. That means f of 2.01 will be nothing but 4. It will be 2.01 the whole square plus 5 into 2.01 plus 2. This is nothing but the, if you look at the previous question. But better option fx is given. So find out f dash of x. F dash of x is nothing but 8x plus 5. Now identification of a. Over here if you look at this expression, or you can look at this expression, A will be 2 and H will be 0.01. Now f of A, f of 2 is nothing but 4, here 2 square plus 5, 2 plus 2, simplify. F dash of 2, f dash of 2 is nothing but 8, here it is 2 plus 5. So here it will be 4 for the 16, 16 plus 10, 26 plus 2, 28, and this will be 21. If you replace in the formula, then f of 2.01 will be equal to f of A, 28 plus 0.01 into 21. Simplify, you will get this remark, Is it okay? One more last question. See this question. Finding the square root of this expression. So look at this expression. The first thought comes, it is 37 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here 1, 2, 3, 4 I will write. I have written 3 only. It is 4. And it's a square root. Why I am writing like this? Because now you can identify, it's a square root, you are obtaining the square root. Square root of this number is nothing but very close to 100. And square root of this number is very close to 36. So in this question, A will be nothing but 36 upon 1 10,000 and H will be nothing but 1 upon 10,000. And what is fx? F of x is nothing but square root of x. You are finding the square root. Demand of the question is square root. So f dash of x is nothing but what? 1 by 2 root x. Now basically you should get f of a. F of a means this value you will be replacing here. It will be 36 upon known things you should identify. So it will be 6 upon, this is nothing but 100, and here f dash of x, a. So it will be 1 by 2 square root of, here also what I will get? 6 by 100. So now you can replace these two value. Square root is not there here, and simplify, you will get the required result. So this is a way to work out this type of question.